You unlock this door with the key of imagination.
Happy birthday to you.
Babe, happy birthday. I hope you have the happiest birthday. I love you, and you aren't just somebody. You are more meaningful to me than any other, and I hope you know how much I cherish you.
Happy birthday to my pretty buddy. On this special day of your life, I wish you get more happiness and joy you deserve. May your all worries, pain, sadness remain away from you. You are a wonderful person, inside and out, I know. I'm thankful to have met a friend like you. Enjoy your day with your loved ones. We are always here, Peace and Love Group, for you. We love you, you know that. Just enjoy. God bless you.
My dearest Cheska, first of all, allow me to greet you a very blessed birthday today. Marks your special day with your loved ones. I wish you a very fruitful years ahead, and all of your dreams are bound to come true because you are a good person and a very hardworking and resilient being. Hope that you will have a long life, good future, good health, good friends, and a very good, loving husband who will stand beside you always. We love you very much here at Peace and Love, and I'm looking forward to be with you in every journey here in Star Maker. Once again, happy, and blessed born day. God bless and much love. Mwah!
Hi, Founder Chess! Happy birthday sa'yo! Alam mo, natutuwa ako nakilala kita sa True Star Maker. Thank you so much sa lahat ng effort, sa lahat ng binibigay mong time for us, kahit na alam ko na very busy ka. I know you have a very big and good heart. Stay that way. We love you so much. And stay pretty, just like me. Charot! Just enjoy your day, and sana, wish ko sa'yo good life, and syempre, very smooth na love life, happiness, and also wealth, and especially your health. Take care always, huwag ka na magtampo, hindi ka namin nakakalimutan, and we love you. Enjoy your day!
Hi, Bestie! Happy birthday. Enjoy your special birthday. Magpaganda ka, magpa-sexy ka, mag-relax ka. Kaming bahala sa'yo. Joke. Paiiyakin ka lang naman namin ng simple. Thank you sa warm friendship na binibigay mo sa amin. And sa pagmamahal mo, lalo na sa peace and love. Thank you so much. I pray that the Lord blesses your life with all that is good and beautiful and help you to fulfill all your dreams and aspirations. Happy blessed birthday, Bestie. I love you. More bardagulan, more kulitan, more masasayang kwentuhan. Long life tayo sa kalokohan. I love you. Happy birthday. Unang-una sa lahat, shout out sa aking peace of love dyan. I love you guys. At ito na, binabati ko yung nag-iisang aking kaibigan dyan na almost magpo 4 years na kaming magkaibigan na si Day Cheska. Day, alam mo naman yan, nandito lang ako palagi, and I will always be there for you. At saka sa partner niya dyan, be patient palagi. Alam ko naman na marami kayong pagsubok na darating, pero Laban lang. I love you. And keep safe always. And happy birthday ulit. Thank you.
Hello Langga, happy birthday. Thank you so much, nakilala ka namin. Sa mga oras na magkakasama tayo, napapasaya mo kami. Sana huwag kang magbago. Love na love ka namin. From peace and love, happy birthday, more blessings and more happiness to come. Happy.
Hi Beshi, happy birthday sa'yo. Ang wish ko sa'yo, bigyan ka ni Lord ng mas mahabang buhay, good health, and lagi kang safe. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Alam mo yan. Maraming thank you sa pagiging good listener mo sa lahat ng topak namin sa buhay. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng kabaitang ginagawa mo sa amin. And with all my heart, love na love talaga kita. Salamat dahil nandyan ka lagi. Willing ka makinig sa lahat sa amin. Kahit lagi kang iyakin din. Love na love ka namin. Dito lang kami lagi para sa'yo. Pwede mo laitin yung bangs ko kasi mukhang natipos, pero ngayon lang yan kasi birthday mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin ulit. Ingatan ng sarili. Love you, ate.
Happy birthday, Ate Compress. Sa pinakamagandang founder namin. Sa pinagmanahan ko ng kagandahan. Charis. Thank you so much, ate, sa napakahabang pasensya mo sa amin kahit napakasaya namin. But still, love na love mo kami. Love na love ka din namin. And enjoy mo lang yung birthday mo. Sana mas marami pang birthday na tumating sa'yo. Mas marami pang araw na makasama ka namin, diba? Sana soon magkita-kita tayo. Love na love ka namin, ate ko. Forget the haters. Because nandito kaming mga mahal na mahal. Diba? I love you, ate, and happy birthday. Love ka namin lahat.
Hi, Founder. Happy birthday po, Founder. Wish ko po sana mag-iingat ka lagi sa pagta-drive mo at talaga mo sarili mo, good health. And maraming salamat sa pagiging pinuno sa Peace and Love. Yun lang. Thank you. And happy birthday ulit.
Ano ba yan, Jiska? Ano pinagsasabi mo sa PR na tagal-tagal ko na daw si Isay, wala akong boyfriend? It's a prank. Happy birthday. Good health always. I love you. Miss you.
Happy birthday, Mareng. Wish you good health always. Enjoy your special day. We love you.
Happy birthday to you. And I don't know pila na edad nimo, but anyways, enjoy your day. And I hope na ang ako lang wish is good health for me and happy love life. So kana lang siguro yun, and enjoy. Just don't focus on negative. Just stay positive and enjoy lang, and that could be all. And see ya pohon if ever na tay time. So just naarami for me. So thank you. Enjoy. Happy birthday again. Bye.
Surprise si Jiska. Dahil birthday mo,
Unang-una sa lahat, gusto kitang bati ng happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Long life. Ayan. Stay humble and pretty. Maraming salamat sa iyo sa lagi mong pagsusupport sa amin ng mga member ng Peace in Love, ha? At kila Ate Kapmilo, kila Pusako, kay Ate Gandamia. Maraming salamat sa ating editors, si Bunso Apple. Ayan, salamat sa inyo. So, ayan, muli, happy birthday sa iyo, Bestie Chiska. Lagi kang mag-iingat, ha. Salamat din kay Bro Rande. Ayan, ingatan mo si Chiska. Sana nga magka-anak na kayo para maging masaya lalo ang Peace in Love. Thank you so much sa inyo. Ayan, happy birthday.
Hello, Chiska. Kumusta? Happy birthday. Oh, makikita mo kami na nag-greet sa'yo ng birthday mo dito sa Peace in Love. Siguro naman masaya ka ngayon dahil surprise ito para sa'yo, sa mga friend mo dito sa Peace in Love. Kaya masasabi ko lang sa'yo, huwag mo papabayaan yung sarili mo. Yan lang sabihin ko sa'yo. Take care yourself. And happy birthday. Love you, Apo.
To my daughter, Chiska, may kuligo ako. Para diretso niya. Happy birthday, dear Chiska. All I could wish for you is to stay safe and take care of yourself the way you love yourself. We may face challenges in life, striving every day, but do not forget rest and to reward yourself also every blessing. Sweet answers we thought is the outcome of the hard work that we give. Wishing you a happy life and happy love life. I hope that you will find peace and love with the man that you're with right now. Can't wait for you to get married soon. So once again, greetings for you. A happy birthday. Happy birthday, anak. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Yan. Happy birthday to my ever dearest Kambal Cheska. Thank you for being such an amazing person and wishing you a day filled with love and laughter and all the joy you deserve. I love you forever, Kambal ko. Happy birthday.